Hey everyone! Welcome to RGB Web Tech, where we simplify tech for you. In this video, we will talk about future of artificial intelligence, AI. The future of artificial intelligence is expected to bring major advancements that will reshape how people live, work, and interact with technology. As AI continues to evolve, several key trends and possibilities stand out. One, more human-like intelligence. AI will become better at understanding context, emotions, and natural language. Systems will communicate more naturally, making digital assistants and customer service tools far more intuitive. Two, expansion of automation. Automation will extend beyond routine tasks into more complex areas, such as legal research, medical diagnostics, and advanced manufacturing. This will significantly boost productivity, but also require workers to learn new skills. 3. Smarter healthcare AI will help detect diseases earlier, personalize treatments, and analyze medical data more accurately. Robotics and AI-assisted surgeries may become more common. 4. Safer and smarter transportation. Self-driving cars, drones, and intelligent traffic systems are expected to grow more reliable, reducing accidents and improving transportation efficiency. 5. Growth of AI in education. AI-powered tools will offer personalized learning experiences, adapt to student needs, and support teachers with real-time feedback and automated grading. 6. Ethical and responsible AI governments and organizations will focus more on regulations to ensure AI is transparent, fair, and safe. Ethical AI will become a major global priority. 7. Collaboration between humans and AI will enhance human capabilities rather than replace them. People will work alongside intelligent systems in fields like design, science, engineering, and creative arts. 8. Breakthroughs in general AI, long-term research, will continue toward artificial general intelligence, AGI, capable of human-like reasoning. While still uncertain, AGI could transform society in profound ways. Overall, the future of AI holds enormous potential, offering innovation and efficiency while raising important questions about ethics, privacy, and the role of humans in an AI-driven world. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment with your question, and do not forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, and take care.